Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to crop image into rectangle shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu and go to the rectangles section. We can see here many rectangles. Now I am select the rectangle, then draw the rectangle. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose shape fill. Select the picture option. Choose this device or from file. Now I am select the image. Click insert. We can see we crop image into rectangle shape. You can crop the image again. Go to the picture format menu. Select the crop option and crop the image only. Then click outside. You can remove the outline. Go to the shape format menu, choose shape outline, choose no outline. Now we can see we crop image into rectangle shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.